Good morning, you guys. It is another beautiful day here at the marina. Um, recently I have been working a little bit more than I really wanted to, so I have been limited in what I've been able to film. For that, I sincerely extend my apologies. I will be getting into a more set schedule in content release so that you guys can have more content. Right now, misbehavior is a little bit of a mess. I moved these cushions out. I put the AC over there. You see that bucket? That's catching my AC condensate because I don't have like a through hull for the portable AC. So about once a day I have to go empty the water from it. Swear to God, it's just water, you guys. It is just water. Don't come at me. It's just water. Uh, other than that, I did have a couple things go wrong with her. That wire came loose. I'll have to fix that. That one's a super easy fix, thankfully. And then, what else happened? Part of my head broke. Not this head. That head. One of the little knobs, like the screw, completely sheared off. So, have to add that to the project list of things to do this month. Fun stuff. I'll do what I can in the coming days, guys, to film more content for y'all to consume. I know this isn't a refit channel, but I am going to show you the realities of what living on a boat is like. Things break, and you got to fix them. It's not even a refit, it's just basic maintenance. Oh my goodness. But other than that, stick around to the end. Now, one thing that I really appreciate and I actually really like is that over the last couple of days, I found myself on Miracle with John a couple of times, and you know what? It has been so much fun. We're considering doing a little flotilla down to the islands, and that's going to be even funner. But for now, enjoy this little short trip that we took on Miracle. Just right out to the marina, went around a little bit. It was a good night. We even explored the Sunken Ketch that is in the bay right outside the marina. She ended up sinking sometime last year during one of the hurricanes, and they haven't raised her yet. The owner kind of just left her there. So another thing we're considering is raising it, dumping the water, and keeping it. Who knows what'll happen, guys? But here, go ahead and enjoy our little night jaunt. Good evening, you guys. We are gonna go on a short little sail on Miracle out into the bay. It's a little bit easier to take Miracle out because she does have the radar set up, and John, the captain, has put his little trail into his radar, making it a whole lot easier to get out of the bay. But yeah, you should be able to see the little path that has to be taken. I'm not sure how well the camera is going to perform in the low light conditions, but we're going to find out together. Come along, enjoy the trip, guys. Yeah, let me get you the mic. It is in my pocket. Here you go.
Okay, sure.
Oh, look how it's making the camera vibrate.
There we go. I mean, we'll see if I can do this really fucking low.
You mean just go right around here?
Yeah. I gotta do it in a certain way if it's this low. I gotta be quick, fast. Look at St. Pete, dude.
It's beautiful.
Beautiful. Cut, 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 cut. Cut. She likes to turn to the right.
Wow. I'd say that was masterfully done.
Appreciate that. Okay, it's away. Nice, thanks, man. There you go, brother. You can hop on if you want. I'm aboard. Smoke a cigarette real quick.
Whose Azimuth is docked all the way down there? The really, really big red boat.
Which one? Oh, I don't fucking know.
I've met him.
He's got enough money to pay what's got to be at least 10 grand a month for that slip. There's a smaller one. I knew somebody that rented that slip before and it was 4 grand a month.
Double.
Slip.
Double DANN. I mean, that's a really expensive boat too, so yeah.
Yeah. It does blow my mind because I'm like, if you have fucking money like that, why are you in Ruskin?
Yeah.
Laying low, maybe?
Yeah, that's a good view.
You know, this is one of the only liveaboard marinas that I was able to find.
Same. Yeah, there's others, they just don't advertise.
There's some in Bradenton I'm thinking
Little
about.
Harbor says that they're no liveaboard, you're only allowed 18 nights a month. But they don't have cameras?
Yes, they're not gonna.
Yeah.
How are they gonna fucking know?
I have a shitload of regulars who live aboard in Little Harbor. They technically don't
Good morning, you guys. It is a beautiful day out here in what I consider rural Florida. It's beautiful out here. Oh, here's my mic. I think you can hear me better when I put it closer to my mouth. I'm not sure what happened with the flag. It was there, now it's not. I think they took it down. Hopefully they put it back. That was a really good view. I loved coming back and seeing it. So right now, I just want to show you guys a little bit of the road to get down to the marina. When I say you have to drive 4.7 miles from the main road to get here, I'm telling the truth. I want to show you guys just how long this road is. From the marina to the main street, it is 4.72 miles. If you have to walk from the street to here, it's going to take you about 2 hours to do that walk. Here we go, y'all. It is a beautiful morning here in rural Florida. Yeah, there goes a street. All right, y'all, here we go. We started with our little trip down the road. You know, if you guys want to dox me, just please don't. That's not cool. I did have to come back up here just to film this scene. On the way up, I noticed a guy doing construction, and he kind of messed up his, what is it called? The forklift. I realized that those things weigh like 20, 30,000 pounds. So what had happened was he brought it down from the truck and it got stuck. There it goes. It got stuck in mud. But it is, it's gonna be a beautiful day, you guys. We are gonna spend it dashing through the snow in a 4-wheel drive Subaru. As you can see, Florida is a very, very beautiful state. That road to the left is a dead end that goes to a different marina. And here you go. You can see how long this main road actually is. It is quite a distance, if you ask me. 4.72 miles. And it's a lot of this. It's a lot of greenery. It's kind of swampy in some spots. Overall, I love it. I'm out here door dashing, guys. And you know what? The one prevalent thing that I've noticed is there is a storm every single day so far. Every single day, there's been a little bit of a storm. I guess that's Florida for you. Find ourselves on Miracle again.
You want to go for a run?
Yeah, bro. I'm always down. Always down. You know, I saw the map, and there's Goat Island, Snake Island, and something else.
I'll get my dinghy here soon.
Yeah?
I get off at 5 p.m. tomorrow.
Yeah, Cito saved me one time.
Really?
Yeah, because my engine died. And I was just anchored out there in the bay. I had to call him.
Dude, give me a call if that ever happens again.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'll come save you.
Word. This is what life is about, man. These little moments.
Charger in there.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, cool, cool.
Do you have a C-type?
Yeah. She's one of those Apple things, the C plug or whatever.
You do a clove hitch?
Here we go. We are approaching the Sunken Ketch. She sunk sometime. She sunk last year, right?
Huh?
You think she sunk last year? been out here for quite some time. Since she's saying during the hurricanes.
Fucking
This is a master class in docking. Wow.